Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kanpal and I am here with yet another video lecture on Java with Netbeans IDE. So, in the previous lecture we viewed how to check whether two strings are anagrams of each other or not. Now we will in this lecture find out the word count of a paragraph in a string. So how is a paragraph written? A paragraph is written by the words being separated by a space. Unnecessary spaces must be removed. So first of all, we will create public static int get word count of a string and pass a string. But before that, to all my new viewers, I would like to ask them to subscribe to my channel. Please like my video on YouTube and comment and share, and also press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. So get word count here we have created. So first of all, we need to trim s of all the first step would be trim s of all the extra spaces that is in beginning or the end of the string. Trim, what does a trim function do? Trim function is inbuilt function in the string, and it returns a string whose value in this string with any leading and trailing white space removed. If the string object represents an empty character sequence or the first and the last characters of the character sequence requested by this string object both have quotes greater than the U20, the space character, then a reference to this string object is returned. So you understand that this is an inbuilt function of the string to trim extra spaces that is present before and after the end of the string. Also, we need to replace all the multi spaces present in the string. So two spaces would be reduced to one space. Now what does this replace all function does? Replace all function replaces each substring of the string that matches the literal target sequence with the specified literal replacement sequence. The replacement proceeds from the beginning of the string to the end. For example, replacing AA with B in the string AAA will result in the string BA rather than AB. So what will it do? It will find two consecutive spaces and will replace it by a single space. But what will happen if there are multiple spaces, like 3 spaces? So for that we just need to use this in a loop, because 3 would be reduced. S dot contains 2 spaces S equals to S dot replace all this. Now this extra processing is not required in the string if the string is in perfect order or paragraph, but if the string is not in perfect order and paragraph, we require this extra processing, and it will require some extra space, extra time in the memory, and no extra space, or an extra space equivalent to what the implicit new string would be created by Java. So now we would have to replace all the extra spaces. Now when the string will only contain one space wherever it is required. So now we can just split the string using a space, and we can return the length. Now the split function is again an inbuilt function. What will the split function do? The split function splits the string around the matches of the given regular expression. This method works as if by invoking the two arguments split method with the two given expression and a limit argument of 0. Trailing empty strings are therefore not included in the resulting array. The string boo and foo, for example, yields the following result with these expressions. Here it is given. So we have just displayed this So now this will give us the word count. Now to get the word count, say here we will the function, write the function get word count and pass string. So it should give length 1. So it is giving 1. But what if apple are or apple is a fruit and mango is also a fruit? Shift F6, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 words in this string, so we have found. But what if it contains some extra space, say here, 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 and here? This should not change the word count. So answer is 10. So we have removed the extra spaces from the string and we have pre-processed the string, so we'll get the correct count of the string. So this is how we create a function to get the word count. This is a very small function, and we have used all the inbuilt function. You can get into the Java doc for all the functions used here: the trim function, the contains function, the replace all function, and the split function. So the trim function is used to replace the extra spaces before and after the string. The contains function finds out a particular string within a string. We will also try to create a contains function of our own in some future lectures. The replace all function is replacing all the occurrences of the first string with the occurrences of the second string into the function. And the split function is used to split a string into a string array by using a particular marker in as a parameter. So s.split with space will give us the words inside the array of words inside the string function and or the string, and the dot length will give us the length of that array. So this is how we have created a get word count function, which will always give us the correct value. Thanks for watching my lecture. Bye bye.